how to use ChatGPT and the new future plugins. So here you are in ChatGPT Plus. You go to the top and then you see browsing, but we now want to go to plugins. So here you go to plugins and then you can select all kinds of different plugins. Look, these are the popular, the new ones. All you see are a lot of plugins and the ones you have installed. In this example, I'm going to use Expedia and I will write down here my prompt, and my prompt is: you are a business travel planner expert. Please execute this task list one by one. The first one is find a cheap flight for 17th of June to Barcelona from Amsterdam. And then second one, find a hotel for 17th of June 2023, neighborhood Barceloneta in Barcelona, Spain, with a budget of 200 euros. Let's see if this works. Okay, here you can see that it's using Expedia, the plugin. And there you have it. I think it took 30 seconds to get this result. Okay, now it's executing the second task. By using the Expedia plugin, it could find me 3 hotels, and very cheaply one with 4 stars, $73. And also a promotion to save. That's also nice from Chat GPT.